Hey there. Okay, so we're going to talk about the difference between average cost and FIFO. Sorry if you can't see it. I have it propped up in my kitchen on some pears. So the first thing you're going to do when you see average cost or FIFO is you're going to make yourself a little chart. It'll have the dates, the descriptions, the purchases, the cost of goods sold, and the ending inventory, all like this. Okay? So you'll look in your book and you'll see that it says purchases of 250 units were $70 each with a total cost of $17,500. So that is what you will put right here. There's 250 units at $70 each, which have a total cost of 250 times 70 of $17,500. And because we just started, this is the only thing that's going to be in our ending inventory. Okay, so we just slide that over. Then the question says that on August 3rd, we purchased 500 units at $100 each with a total unit cost of $50,000. So what we do here is we do 500 times 100 is equal to 50,000. So now is the big difference between FIFO and average cost. FIFO, I like to say it's like people who don't like, they're like peas and mashed potatoes touching. Instead of combining these, we keep them separate. So we say we have 250 units in our inventory at $70 per unit with a total cost of $17,500. And we also, just because we just got it now, we have 500 units at $100 each for $50,000. And as we know, FIFO stands for first in, first out. And that makes a difference when we make a sale. So in the book, it says that we make a sale of $300. And because it's FIFO, which one of these do we use first? Well, we use the oldest one, okay? So if we want 300 units, we're going to take the first 250 from the $70 unit stuff, cross that out, put it here. Then we're going to take the next 50 units, because we need 300 here, out of this $50 stuff, or sorry, out of this $100 units. So we'll have 50 units at $100 and 250 units at $70 to get $22,500 because we're just going to multiply these across and add them all together. Now what's left in our ending inventory is we got rid of all these 250 units. And we got rid of 50 of these units. So we have 450 units at $100 each for $4,500. On August 15th, we purchased 900 units at $120 each for $108,000. Remember, we want to separate our peas and our mashed potatoes, so we keep them separate in our ending inventory. Okay? Again, when we make a sale of 325 units, we go to the oldest first, the first in, first out, and we use the $100 stuff. So we use 325 of the 450 units, and the rest of it, 450 minus 325 is 125. The rest of it goes to our ending inventory.